Ever wondered how computers work? It's not as complex as you may think. At its core, a computer is an electronic device designed to store, process, and retrieve data swiftly and accurately. We've come to rely on them for an array of tasks, from word processing to internet browsing, gaming, and even streaming our favorite shows. But did you know there's a whole world of different computer systems out there? Desktop computers, for instance, tend to be stationary, while laptops bring computing power wherever you go. Tablets and smartphones offer portability with a touch interface. And servers, well, they're the powerhouses that keep our internet running and our data secure. Each type of computer serves a unique purpose, tailored to different needs and uses. Now that you know what a computer is and the different types, let's delve into the internal components that make these devices work. The magic of computers lies in their internal components. Let's peel back the layers and take a closer look. At the heart of every computer beats the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, the brain of the operation. It's responsible for executing instructions and making everything happen. When you click, type, or swipe, it's the CPU that makes it all possible. Next up, we have the random access memory, known as RAM. Think of RAM as the computer's short-term memory. It temporarily stores the data that the CPU needs quick access to. Then we have the hard disk drive, or solid-state drive, where data is stored when it's not being used. It's like the computer's long-term memory. The motherboard is the unsung hero, connecting all of these components and allowing them to communicate with each other. Finally, the power supply unit, the PSU, provides the energy to make it all run. These components work together to make your computer function. But what about the devices we connect to computers? Peripherals add functionality to your computer. These are devices that we connect to our computer systems, serving as an extension to the internal components. They allow us to interact with our machines in a variety of ways, enhancing our overall user experience. Take monitors, for example. Monitors serve as our visual window into the digital world, displaying everything from documents and websites to videos and games. Keyboards and mice are our primary tools for inputting data, commands, and instructions into the computer. They are our means of communication with the machine. Printers and scanners, on the other hand, bridge the gap between the digital and physical worlds. Printers allow us to transfer digital data onto physical media, while scanners enable us to digitize physical documents for storage or editing on the computer. Each peripheral plays a vital role, contributing to the functionality, versatility, and efficiency of our computer systems. Peripherals provide an interface between the user and the computer. Now, let's get to know some computer basics. Understanding computer terminology can make your digital journey much smoother. Let's start with the operating system, or OS. It's the boss of your computer, managing both hardware and software resources. Think of it as the maestro of your digital orchestra. Then we've got application software. These are task-specific programs like your favorite web browser or word processor. They're the tools in your digital toolbox. Files and folders help keep your data neat and organized. An icon is a small graphical representation of a file or folder, making it easier to spot. A window is a rectangular area on your screen that showcases a program or document. Menus list your options, while toolbars hold buttons for common tasks. The scroll bar lets you navigate up and down documents. Lastly, the cursor, that flashing line, shows where you'll next type or click. With these basics, you're well on your way to becoming more computer savvy. Remember, every expert was once a beginner,